Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we talk all things money, credit, and building financial freedom. Today, we're talking about something nearly everyone has, but only a few people truly understand: credit cards. We'll cover how they really work, how to use them responsibly, and how to stop paying those ridiculous interest charges that eat up your hard-earned cash. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your credit card from a financial trap into a powerful wealth-building tool. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding how credit cards work. So first, what exactly is a credit card? A credit card is basically a short-term loan that lets you borrow money up to a certain limit. You then pay it back later, ideally before the due date. Each month, your card issuer sends you a statement with your balance, what you owe, minimum payment due, and your due date. Now here's the catch: if you pay your full balance by the due date, you pay zero interest. But if you only pay the minimum, the remaining balance starts collecting interest, often 20% or more. That's where most people get trapped. So the golden rule: always pay your statement balance in full and on time. Part 2. How credit card interest really works. Let's do a quick example. Imagine you owe $1,000 on a credit card with a 25% annual interest rate, and you only pay the minimum each month. At that rate, it could take you over 5 years to pay off that $1,000, and you'd pay hundreds of dollars in interest. Why? Because credit card interest compounds daily. That means every day you don't pay, your balance grows a little bit more. So the longer you wait, the more expensive your debt becomes. Part 3. Understanding credit utilization. Now, let's talk about something super important: credit utilization ratio. This is how much of your available credit you're actually using. For example, if your limit is $5,000 and you've spent $1,500, your utilization is 50%. Credit scoring models like FICO and VantageScore prefer when your utilization stays under 30% and ideally below 10% if you're trying to boost your credit fast. Low utilization equals responsible borrower equals higher credit score. High utilization equals risky borrower equals lower credit score. So, even if you pay on time, maxing out your card every month can still hurt your credit score. Keep it low or pay multiple times a month to keep your balance down. Part 4. Smart strategies for credit card management. Let's talk strategy: how to actually manage your credit cards like a pro. Here are 5 key habits that'll save you money and raise your credit score. 1. Pay your bill early. Don't just pay by the due date. Pay before the statement closing date to lower your reported balance. 2. Automate payments. Set up autopay for at least the minimum so you never miss a due date. Late payments can drop your score up to 100 points. 3. Check your statements. Fraud, billing errors, and sneaky subscriptions happen. Review monthly. 4. Ask for credit limit increases. Higher limits reduce utilization, but only if you don't spend more. 5. Use rewards wisely. Cashback, miles, or points are awesome, but only if you're not paying interest. Interest wipes out all rewards instantly. Part 5. The truth about minimum payments. Minimum payments sound harmless, right? But they're designed to keep you in debt longer. Your credit card company wants you to pay just enough to avoid default, but not enough to get debt-free. Example: to $1,000 balance, 20% interest rate. Pay only the minimum each month. You'll pay for years and rack up nearly $800 in interest. So if you can't pay the full balance, at least pay more than the minimum. Even an extra $50 makes a big difference. Part 6. Building and protecting your credit score. Credit cards can either make or break your credit score. Here's how to make them work for you. Always pay on time. Payment history makes up 35% of your score. Keep balances low. That's another 30%. Avoid unnecessary new cards. Too many inquiries can hurt your score. Keep old cards open. They lengthen your credit history, which helps your score grow. Pro tip: if you have an old card you don't use, put one small recurring bill on it like Netflix and autopay it every month. That keeps it active and boosts your credit longevity. Part 7. Common credit card mistakes to avoid. Let's quickly run through the most common credit card mistakes people make. Carrying a balance just to build credit. That's a myth. You don't need debt to have a great score. Applying for too many cards at once. Ignoring annual fees, some premium cards charge $100 per year. Taking cash advances, they come with instant interest and no grace period. Closing your oldest card that can shorten your credit history and drop your score. Avoid these, and you're already ahead of 90% of cardholders. Part 8. How to get out of credit card debt. Now, if you're already deep in credit card debt, don't panic. You can get out. Here are your best strategies. 1. Snowball method. Pay off your smallest balances first for quick wins and motivation. 2. Avalanche method. Focus on the highest interest rate first, saves more money long term. 3. Balance transfer cards. Some offer 0% interest for 12 to 18 months. Just be sure to pay it off before the promo ends. 4. Debt consolidation loans. Combine multiple debts into one with a lower rate. The key is to stop adding new charges and focus on consistent, structured payments. So to wrap up, credit cards can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. If you manage them wisely, paying on time, keeping balances low, and using rewards strategically, they'll help you build credit, earn perks, and even make money. But if you misuse them, ignoring payments or maxing them out, they'll cost you big time. So, be smart, stay disciplined, and use credit cards as a tool, not a crutch. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below with your biggest credit card question. I might feature it in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.